So how I do that is I first find the probability of the thing happening, and then I multiply it by the number of times I'm expecting it to happen. So going back to that coin example, the probability is 1/2. I was going to flip the coin 50 times, so 1/2 times 50 would be the number of times I expect it to land on tails. And we are going to practice using tables, reading tables, interpreting them. Okay? So, the table shows the outcome of drawing a marble from a bag 20 times. Based on the table, how many times would you expect to draw a red marble after 50 turns? Okay, so like I said, I take the probability of red times the number of turns. Okay? So our probability of red, there's 12 red, and it said it was after 20 times. So 12 out of 20 times, we want to know after 50 turns. So times 50 over 1. I should do top times top. 12 times 50 is 600, divided by 20 times 1 is 20. 600 divided by 20 is 30 expected red marbles, sorry. Okay, so you expect to draw a red marble 30 times. Okay, using a different type. This table shows the number and types of cards drawn during a game after 50 rounds. Okay, so they drew a card 50 times. How many resource cards do you expect to draw after 75 turns? Let me finish labeling my table. Okay, so here I have defense cards. They drew 7 of those. They drew 9 attack cards, 26 resource cards, and 8 point cards. We are looking for resource cards after 75 turns. So I take the probability of my resource times my number of turns. Or in this case, we're calling them rounds. Okay, so my resource was 26 out of 50 rounds. I'm going to go ahead and reduce that. I can divide both of those by 2. Gives me 13 out of 25. That will just make it a little easier. Times, we have 75 turns. To make that into a fraction, I put it over 1. Then I just do top times top. 13 times 75 is 975 divided by bottom times bottom. 25 times 1 is 25. So 975 divided by 25 is 39 expected resource cards. So that's really all I have for making predictions using probability. Just remember that it's the probability of the thing happening times the number of times you're trying it. That's really it. Have a great day, guys.